Hello everybody, I'm Livio Rotini, export manager for Farchioni Food Family Company and also export manager for Terra della Custodia Winery. I'm at home now, like everybody in the world, and today I'm going to let you try two special dishes from Umbria. One is gnocchi with truffle. You can see here the ingredients. We have fresh gnocchi, also frozen gnocchi, it's okay. Truffle oil, truffle sauce, and like kitchen cream. We are going to prepare it later. And here we have a tenderloin, about 100 grams, 150 grams. We have rosemary, and we are going to cook it like medium done with a special Umbria sauce made by extra virgin olive oil, made by rosemary, pepper, and sea salt. Then let's start our preparation, and I hope you will enjoy your virtual dinner with us. All right, let's start our preparation here. We have the fire. Just put inside some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, because later we are going to put also some truffle extra virgin olive oil. Then just let the oil go in all the surface. And then after that, we can put the cream. I think for one portion, for 120 grams of gnocchi, we just need to use 100 grams of kitchen cream. Maybe 80 grams, it's okay. The fire don't need to be too much high. It's a medium level. Just mix a little bit oil with the cream, and after that you can take some salt, just a little bit salt, you can put inside and mix it. When you start to see some small bubbles here, it's time to put inside the truffle sauce. Now we can see some small bubbles in the cream. Here we have the water, the boiled water. We just need to put inside because start to see the bubbles here. Some sea salt inside. And here with the bubbles, it's time to take our truffle sauce with a small spoon. Is this one. And start to put inside here. I think for one portion, I think 2 or 3 spoons is enough. Yeah, just do two enough. And then, that's good. And then start to mix it. Actually, we are going to see the truffle sauce is well mixed with oil and cream. You just need to mix it together. And when you start to smell the truffle, you just need to put inside some truffle oil. Alright, some truffle oil for the smell. Just a little bit, because the truffle oil is always very, very, very strong. And mix it again. And now switch off the fire. At the same time, we are going to cook the gnocchi. You know, gnocchi is very, very, very fast cooking. If frozen, maybe 3 minutes. If not frozen, just put in the refrigerator, maybe just 1 minute, no more. All right, now we have our boiled water. I don't want to touch it, but it starts to bubbling. We can put inside our gnocchi. We have it here. And this one must cook about 1 minute, no more than 1 minute. But at the same time, we need to switch on again the sauce, because it's time for Parmigiano cheese. Don't put too much Parmigiano cheese, but the cheese can help the truffle to reach much better your nose. Then I really like it. Then always mix it with a very, 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 very low fire. All right, now our gnocchi is quite down, because when the gnocchi go up, means the gnocchi are ready. Then don't need to use some special equipment, just something like this. You can take your gnocchi and put inside the sauce directly. And then switch off the fire, and then just finish the cook inside. Because in this way the gnocchi can keep all the truffle smell of the truffle taste. Very, very, very low fire. And now it's very good. Very, 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 very good taste. All right, now it's time for our gnocchi. You can see it's ready. All right, just put the gnocchi inside. All right, the cream. Oh, and also the smell is very, very good. I mean, the portion for one person is about 100 grams and about 40 grams truffle sauce and some truffle oil. And in the end, for me, I prefer to put some more truffle sauce in top in the end. That's it. That's amazing. I'm going to eat it for sure. All right, now it's time to cook our tenderloin. It's here. Just open the fire. Yeah, start to be hot. Just take some extra virgin olive oil. If you have casolare, is perfect. And put some oil just to cover the surface. Just let the oil go in on the surface. All right. And then we can take our tenderloin directly here. It's based on your taste. We can do bleu, we can do rare, we can do well done, medium rare. It's up to you. Our way to eat it is like not far from bleu. It means 3 up to 5 minutes, no more. But today we are going to do it like medium rare, about 7-8 minutes. If you like, because you know it's not easy to cook it. If you don't want to burn it, you can also add some water here and cook for 5 minutes more. But this is my favorite. I don't want to put water here. And my opinion is put it in all the side, and in this time, after maybe 1 minute, just take the sea salt and put the salt here. Just the salt, nothing more. All right, now our tenderloin is medium rare, and it's time to prepare it, and just time to prepare our special Umbrian sauce. All right, the Umbrian sauce is very easy to prepare because the particular things about the Italian food and also the Umbrian food is easy things. Very, very good raw material, but not very difficult to prepare. Then we are going to take our extra virgin olive oil, casolare. We are put the casolare here. Right. We are going to take the pepper. I'm going to use the 4 mixed pepper. This one is 4 different kind of pepper. Juniper, just a little bit because I don't like it too much, but many people like it. Then I suggest not too much. All right, like this. And in the end, rosemary. We can take a lot of rosemary here. A lot of rosemary inside. All right. Doesn't matter how much rosemary you want to put inside, still okay. And then we are going to mix it. All right. Then, after you mix it, it's time to put the salt. The important thing is the sea salt. Must be big. And we put the salt here and mix again. Then after that, you need to wait, I think, half hour. Then maybe 1 hour is much better because the oil can breathe the other ingredients. Then you need to wait. Then I think I suggest to prepare it before. All right, now our tenderloin is done, and we can put in the plate. Very, very, very easy. Then we can take our Umbrian, so this one is for decoration. We can take our Umbrian sauce and just put inside. It will be delicious. And then after that, you can decorate this one here, or everywhere you want. This one is our Umbrian fillet tenderloin. Very good, very delicious. All right, it's time to say goodbye because we have finished our preparation. Our truffle gnocchi, let me repeat it, then 100 grams of gnocchi, about 100 grams of kitchen cream, 40 grams of truffle sauce, a little bit of truffle oil, Parmesan cheese and salt. And then our tenderloin with Umbrian sauce, just make it medium rare, about 10 minutes cooking. Extra virgin olive oil, and then our special Umbrian sauce with rosemary, with juniper, with sea salt and pepper. Then enjoy, and for me it's time to eat it. Thank you, and see you soon in the States. And stay safe and stay home. Ciao.